video will walk you through manually grading PlayPosit bulbs and reviewing bulb analytics on the PlayPosit dashboard. When you created your PlayPosit bulb, you linked it to Moodle and set the grading criteria for the activity. Any interaction in the PlayPosit bulb with a set of answers will be automatically graded, and the grade will be transferred to Moodle. Open-ended interactions require you to manually grade each submission. In your Moodle course, navigate to the PlayPosit activity you want to grade and click Monitor. In this example, I have an open-ended question that needs grading. From here, click on the interaction icon in the column header. Select Grade All from the drop-down menu. You will see all the responses submitted for that interaction, and you can grade them. Click Save Grades when you are done. Assuming you are grading the interactions after the due date has passed for the learners, and there will be no further updates to learners' grades, you want to sync grades with Moodle. To do this, click the Sync Grades button. The updated grades are now available in Moodle. Now that grades are updated, let's look at learner performance. From the Monitor page, click Bulb Analytics. The top graph shows the number of correct and incorrect answers for each interaction in the bulb. The bottom graph shows the average score and the completion status for the bulb. You can use this information to make changes, if needed, to the bulb. That's it for manually grading PlayPosit bulbs and bulb analytics. If you haven't already, make sure to watch the other videos in the PlayPosit and Moodle playlist.